welcome back to my channel. First of all, today I'm drawing an abstract plants scene just from my brain that I made up. And I'm gonna update you on my life a little bit. But first of all, the nail polish off one of my fingers wasn't there in this entire video, and I didn't notice till the end, and it kind of bothers me. It just looks naked next to the rest of the nail polish on my other finger. So now that I'm done recording it, I fixed it. But as for what I'm drawing, I decided to use only 3 colors because that seemed interesting and kind of like the 3 marker challenge, except I'm using more than 3 markers because it's hard to keep track of which markers are good and reliable and which ones are kind of running out. I usually try to keep them separate, but I have a lot of markers and a lot of them are different that I've collected over the years, so I'm just using 3 colors. As for what's been happening in my life lately, I just got my wisdom teeth out, which was kinda like when I was getting them out, I was on laughing gas, so that was kind of fun. I didn't laugh. I was just really spacey, and I felt like time was happening at a different speed, like I was floating. But I couldn't explain to them how drugged I felt, because I was just out of it. I'm kind of sensitive to medicine and stuff, so I'm not surprised. But then after, it was really painful. And I am glad that I only got the bottom 2 out instead of all 4, because I was awake. And then one of my wisdom teeth started, well, not the tooth because it's gone, the spot where it was started to get infected, so now I'm on antibiotics. And before this whole thing, I had a mycoplasma relapse, which, if you don't know, is a type of walking pneumonia. So I had to go on Z-Pack, which is the antibiotic that seems to be a good short-term one for me because it's not that harsh and it's not that long of taking a pill. So now I'm just on painkillers for a little bit longer than most people. Not anything super strong, just a little bit. It does make me sleepy though. So I'm just trying to live my summer life, do what young people do. I do not understand youth culture still. I'm done with my summer Spanish class, which was 5 weeks. So glad to be done with that. It was a lot to handle. I was dyslexic when I was a kid, so learning a language is kind of a hassle. That's basically it. Now you can just watch me draw some cool pictures, some plants. Whenever I do time lapses, because I've done a few for Instagram, my arm gets so tired. It gets kind of exhausting to just keep drawing nonstop. In an art class once, we would have actually multiple art classes where they make you draw for a certain amount of time without stopping. It's like that, except worse. Wow, I'm really making it sound like it's not that bad. I promise. I like drawing. And now I'm almost done with my drawing. I like how it turned out. I got kind of stressed at the end that it was going to be weird looking, but it's actually really cool. So subscribe if you're new. Join the weird family. Adios, amigos. Stay strange, friends.